Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Finally, it's LAZADA video series! Woo! Hey guys, good morning! It's Sunday and it's supposed to be my rest day. How's your Sunday, guys? You know, miss having Sundays with barbecue. Mag-ihaw kayo ng karne sa labas at sama-sama kayo kumakain with the family. Well, you could still do that one up until this time, especially na quarantine tayo at kasama natin yung mga families natin at saka yung mga friends natin. But it's a different Sunday today because even though it's my rest day, I'll be working. I will have a 10 client meetings for today for the new normal wedding. For those who don't know, I'm also working as an event host. So it's my job to make their special day memorable. And you know guys, I've been loving this one for a long time. Making people happy. And I hope I make them happy all these years. So join me today. I'll be doing my client meetings. Here guys. So, dito lang kayo ha. Huwag maingay ulit. It's another morning, guys. Here's my breakfast. So, klaro kayong kapobrehon, di rin magatita, no? So, nakoy dukot na kanin. I have white squash and of course, cheese bread. Let's eat! So finally guys, I'm done with my meeting for today. Daming meeting, bukas ulit, gigising maaga. Grabe talaga guys. What a day. And now the time is 9:37. Tulog na ko guys, may pasok pa mamaya 3 a.m. Bye-bye. Okay guys, it's already July 14, 2020 and I'm still recovering from my hoarseness of voice from yesterday's meeting. That was so exhausting and it all went well. Thank you Lord. Ang hirap talaga guys kumita ng pera guys, pero madali lang ubusin. Sana nung bata pa kayo na pag-isip-isipan nyo na yan. No. Well today, speaking of money, I'll be talking about my worst money mistake in my 20s. Just to answer your question, I'm on my early 30s. And you know, this quarantine have made me a lot of realizations, especially on my financial expenses. Grabe pala guys. Ang borara ko when I was in 20s. So to those who are watching right now, especially on their 20s, I hope you learned something in today's video. Okay, so my first money mistake when I was in 20s was impulsive shopping. That's true. Ngayon na talaga ako naging kuripot, but way back on my 20s, guys, grabe. Tuwing nai-inlove ako, ang lala ko mag-shopping kapag nai-inlove. At tuwing na heartbroken ako, grabe din mag-shopping guys. Well, probably it's true. You know, according to psychology, retail therapy really could help you boost your mood, especially if you're sad and if you're on your happiest, you tend to buy a lot of things. So, yun, I base my expenditures on my mood. I'm sure marami nakarelate dyan. Please comment down below if burara din kayo, if parati kayo na sa shopping, if na-heartbroken kayo in your 20s. Or sinong 20s dyan. Alam ko guys. Second would be advanced spending. So when I say advanced spending, yung wala pa sa iyo yung pera, pero naalat na sa ibang gamit. Like for example, alam ko na may tatanggapin akong 3K for tomorrow, nagagastos na ako ngayon, bumibili na ako ng bagong shoes, bumibili na ako ng bagong pants or polo. Ganun. So pag kinabukasan, yun din, wala na, ubos na yung pera ko guys. Pulubi na, ngayon, sa Bisaya pa ito, kit-kit ito, nga. Next money mistake would be frequent changing of phone. Well guys, admittedly, I'm not really that techy, but I really like phones, and phones right now is very essential. Pero yung almost every year, palati ka na nagbabago ng phone, parang may topak ka na sa ulo, parang ganun. Parang ganun guys. I could still remember there was one time na gumastos ako ng 20,000 pesos on the spot just for the phone. And ayun, nasira din after 3 years, 4 years yata. Grabe, ang lala ko talaga. This mistake is the short-term savings plan. It's a good thing that you're saving, but it could be better sana na pang long term yung plano natin because we are continuously earning. 20s kasi during that time yung sinisave ko lang is for my tuition for my sisters because I'm the one funding them for their college. Also travels ng family. So yun lang yung mga short term na savings plan ko. So this time is more on my emergency fund, more on my retirement, ganun. Tomorrow is LAZADA mid-year sale. Grabe talaga. This will be my first time doing an online shopping. As you know guys, I'm very kuripot. And talagang stone age pa ako when it comes to online banking and online shopping. So today, I'll be doing my first ever online shopping. I'm planning to have, let's see, if anong meron. Planning to have a neck massager for my parents. Also, I'm planning to have, ano bang meron dito? Digital BP apparatus. It's for them, for my parents. Bili din ako ng ring light because it's very important every time merong mga meeting. Gusto ko din ng portable blender. Nice to guys, if you are juicing and you're always on the go, portable blender is a go. And also guys, I'll try to check on a air fryer. Maganda to, healthy, para hindi ka na gumagamit ng cooking oil. Today, mag-shopping din kayo guys, joke lang. You know, spend your money wisely guys, especially at this time. And if you still have spare, splurge yourself once in a while. That's not bad. That's also good for your mental health. Also, please remain to stay at home if possible. Stay healthy, stay safe, and also mag-amping mo guys. Because if kung di mo mag-amping, ganahan mo ako'y mo-amping ninyo. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so that you get notified on my next video. Thank you so much guys, and hopefully on our next video, we are road to 400 JETertainers! Thank you so much guys. Keep on subscribing. And hopefully guys, I'll be able to share to you some giveaways, hopefully, and some meetups, because more the merrier. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. God bless.